Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can restock seeds in the Grow a Garden seed shop without actually having to wait or without having to spend any Robux at all. So there is this new feature where you can restock seeds by watching an ad. I'm not going to play the ad, I'm just going to skip through it. But if you go to the seed shop, here, I'll um buy all these so you guys can see it's going to restock. So as you can see, there's still 2 minutes on the clock. I'm just going to watch ad here. And then as you can see, it says, congratulations, you've earned auto restock, and it's going to restock automatically for me. It's still hard to get like the rarer seeds, but you can restock on these ones. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!